Now the next thing you've got to do is come into this link right here and click on this code, copy URL to clipboard on HTTPS to clone the repo, and go. Let's stop this for a moment and then paste this right here. Git clone, and then paste the URL. Hit enter. Now let's wait for it to essentially finish. Okay, yes, it's fast. Now it's done. Perfect. Now if you don't have Git, obviously the command using git ignore is not going to work for you. So what you've got to do is, instead of copying the URL, you can hit on download zip, and it's going to download the zip file of this repository. So when it downloads, let's say new downloads folder, so all you've got to do is move the downloaded file, the zipped file, into this folder right here, and then unzip it, and then it's essentially going to give you the same thing. Let's run this back. And hopefully now we can see our new directory that we just cloned popping up inside Remixd IDE. So when you hit refresh, now we can reconnect, connect, wait for it to load. Perfect. We can see our cloned repo right here. Now delete this file, we're not going to need it. So come on in here. You can also delete Git. I am going to delete this solutions folder, so you can leave it. Delete, git ignore, delete. So now we are left with only the exercises folder. Perfect. Now in the next lesson, we're going to hop on and tackle the first exercise. See you there.